Welcome to Pellissippi State's application page. This video will walk you through how to apply. It's quick, easy, and could be your first step towards changing your life forever. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. First, go to pstcc.edu and click the Apply Now button. You'll see the button again on the next page. Click it one more time. Next, you'll need to create an account. Click Create Account. Then fill out your contact information. You'll also choose whether to receive text messages. We hope you say yes. Create a password. Then we'll send a confirmation link to the email you entered to activate your account. Once you activate your account, you can sign in and complete your application. After signing in, click Create a New Application. Then Start a New Application. Confirm your semester and click Next. You'll see the different student types: dual enrollment, first-time freshman, transfer, non-degree seeking, readmit, and visiting. Choose the one that fits you. For this example, I'm selecting New Transfer Student. Your account information will carry over, but fill in anything marked with a red asterisk. Next, we'll gather demographic information: citizenship, social security number for financial aid purposes, first language, military background, and optional race and/or ethnicity. Hit Save and Continue. Now the fun part. Choose your academic school. If you're unsure, pick all schools. An advisor will help you later. If you want a career-focused major, look for AAS programs. We'll ask about financial aid, campus employment, scholarships, and study abroad. Then, provide parent or guardian education level and your age for immunization requirements. If you are old enough to sign the immunization information, you will do that next. Next, enter your high school and any colleges you've previously attended. The application is smart. The more you type, the better it finds your school. Just make sure you pick the correct one from the drop-down menu. You can add up to 3 colleges. If you've attended more, email admissions. Finally, you can add emergency contacts. Then read and agree to the admissions agreement. Type your name as your signature and hit Submit. That's it. You've applied. If you have any questions about your application, reach out to admissions by email or phone. Congratulations on taking the first step toward your future at Pellissippi State.